Hello, and welcome back to our channel. Today we will talk about the flying fish. There's about 47 different varieties, and they live in oceans all over the world.
Give us an example of where they live exactly.
And they live a bit out, of tropical zones. You wouldn't see them right next to Hawaii, but you would see them a bit away. If you were taking a boat out, you'd probably see them.
So not next to the shore, but in temperate climates like Hawaii?
Yes.
Cool. And so do they actually really fly?
Nope. Despite their name, they are named for the fact that they can rise out of the water, but their fans that are that sort of work as wings to them. Those can't flap, so that wouldn't give that's not how they fly. They glide by the wind going under it and pushing it up, and they get out of the water by beating their super fast tail, and when it dips down again, it beats its tail again. It can beat its tail up to 70 times per second.
Per second?
Yeah,
really?
Per second.
Oh wow. Okay, and then how long can a flying fish glide in the air?
About the length of a basketball court and a half.
1.5 of a basketball court? Mm-hmm. Oh my gosh. That's really long for a little fish to fly. Glide. How long do they typically grow?
They can grow, the record size is 18 inches, but most of them only grow to 7 to 12 inches.
And are they extinct?
Nope.
Going extinct? Okay.
Nope.
Okay.
Luckily, most of around the 46 or 47 types are still gliding the ocean.
Oh, good. Okay. Anything else you want to share about them? About the fact, why do they need to glide? Well, first of all, I want to start out by saying they can rise pretty high. They can go once they catch the air. They can go over a ship. They can go over a sailboat or something. Oh my goodness! Really?
Of course, it's mainly to evade predators, but it wouldn't really be much of a help to mako sharks, who can ride 25 feet. And they can spin. Those mako sharks are fantastic spinners.
The mako shark can go up 25 feet in the air?
Yep, and spin and come back down, of course.
Wow. Okay. Very cool.
Thank you for listening.
See you next